Hello and welcome back to Hugo House. And today, why don't we take a look at this one mom's sweet empty nest tiny house. This rustic and charming tiny house on wheels was built by Michelle Jonice, whose small house living journey started when she was just 12 years old. Jonas first became intrigued by a tiny abandoned farmhouse that sat near her parents' home. She has been sketching tiny house floor plans ever since. This tiny house on wheels is aptly named My Empty Nest, which is the culmination of a life spent dreaming of tiny reclaimed space all of her own. This tiny house on wheels is cozy and inviting, and you can't help but look around and feel right at home. On the exterior of the Empty Nest tiny house building, there is lots of wood with a red glass door, white and metal trim, and a license plate storage case that gives this tiny house on wheels a unique look. Inside the tiny house building is a tiny kitchen that uses white kitchen cabinets, a white fridge, and white oven to create a cozy cooking area. There is also a sitting area and the use of reclaimed timber throughout, which gives the tiny house space plenty of character. Inside, you will find colorful pillows, quilts, and blankets, which help to give some texture and appeal to both the sleeping and reading lofts. This tiny house on wheels is an owner-built tiny house building that is located in Sherwood, Oregon. When it comes to tiny house buildings, there are more to choose from than ever before, with tiny house designs to suit most every lifestyle, need, and preference. Tiny house buildings can be used for full-time living or use as a vacation home, backyard office, or guest houses. The options for small house living are endless. One of the most popular types of tiny house buildings is the tiny house on wheels, just like the My Empty Nest tiny house design. One of the reasons that people can't seem to get enough of small house living is that they offer a lot of convenience and freedom for people who live in and use them. Small houses on wheels can be moved from one location to another, which is great for people who don't own a permanent piece of property to set up. If this type of tiny house design is something you might consider, you will need to have a truck or rent a truck that is capable of pulling small houses on wheels that you choose. Another thing to consider if a small house on wheels seems appealing to you, you'll also want to have a piece of property where you can set up the tiny house. You can purchase a piece of property where you can put your small house on wheels, or perhaps you have a friend or family member who has a place where you can live comfortably and set up your tiny house building. Whatever you choose, tiny house on wheels and small house living are more comfortable and convenient than ever before, with a wide variety of tiny house designs, sizes, and styles to choose. And if you like this video, please do consider dropping a like. It would really help this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.